feel very generous. I want to get away from the food thing for a second. I'm going to teach you boys how to do laundry. You guys don't know how to do laundry? Oh, not nice. Not nice. Okay, this is an automated machine stuff here going on. Never. Okay, I've never done laundry in my life. Okay, here it is. Check this out. Check this out. Gotta find another word. This is bothering me. Okay, so check this out. So you put the money here, you select. They already have the whole chemical thing, and then you press the button and the magic happens. That's easy. I don't know why my wife complains all the time. All right, let me check it out. Check it out. Tiepido. You take the laundry. Let me zoom in. I want you guys to really get it. Here we go. Take the laundry. Tiepido. I'm a natural. You see? It's okay. You're welcome. And then you wait. And wait. And then you keep waiting. I love it. This is okay. Yeah, I did this. Look. Hey, what are you gonna do? Pretty good. Feels good. Feels good. First time. Nice. Feels good, guys. Feels good. Yeah.